Here we go again. All right. So math today, we are still working with our dearest beloved fractions. Okay? Now,
Are we going to be converting fractions?
we are not, what are we doing? Converting fractions to decimals? You read my mind.
Yeah, because you said it last week that we're doing it.
Okay, so we're going to start with crazy easy. Okay? Crazy easy. If I were to give you, oops, come on, this fraction, how would you say that fraction?
1/10.
1/10.
Oh, I think I get it now. It's
How would you say that decimal?
1/10.
1/10. Let's remember our decimal places. There's a little poster back here. Hang on. And I don't know if you guys can see it.
Oh, I get it.
Remember our decimal place value. Our decimals go, if we were to put a number, here's our decimal,
Okay.
and we go one spot to the right of it, that's the 10th spot. There's not a once, so it's tenths. What's this spot called?
Hundreds.
Hundredths.
Next spot will be the thousandths.
And this spot is
Thousands.
thousandths. Okay? So we remember that, okay? So, if I make this a different number, did this, how would I say that fraction? Kendall? 9 what? 9 hundredths with a TH. Now, here's my decimal. Which spot is the hundredths spot?
Second. The middle one.
The middle one? Okay. I need to put something to save my place.
Zero in the first.
Okay.
0 in the 10th.
Those are equivalent. That is that fraction turned into a
Decimal.
decimal.
I think I'm really good at this.
Okay.
If you do a hard one. No.
Can I do a hard one?
Yes.
No,
Do it.
I'm ready for it. I'm not.
Some people aren't, John. Easy.
12 hundredths.
Really?
Where is my hundredths spot?
Oh wait, the 2's going to be in the thousand.
Here's my hundredth spot.
I got it.
But can I put
I got it. No, you cannot.
both numbers right here?
Simon have to do the
Whoa! Stop yelling. I'm seeing all kinds of things. I'm seeing a 0.012. I'm seeing 0.021. I'm seeing a bunch of stuff. Oh my Lord, I didn't mean to do that.
Or you can do
Okay,
0.0.
we know this is my hundredth spot. Where the number ends is what place value I give it. So the 12 needs to end in the hundredth spot. I'm going to leave the 1 and the 2 in the same order.
I knew that.
So that is 12 hundredths. Okay? Remember when we did decimals, wherever the number ends, that's the place value that we name it.
Okay.
I remember that, Miss Bab. You taught me that like 5 years ago.
Wait,
Oh, maybe it was just 5 months ago.
2.
Miss
Okay. All right. All right.
Try another one.
Let's try another one, Maggie says. Okay?
Yeah, I agree. I got the really hang of it. You get the really hang of it. Oh, I know what it is.
All right. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. This is 32,000.
032.
What is it, Sean?
032.
Sean says 032. Is he correct?
Yes. Okay.
How do we know that you're correct, Sean? Why did you put a 0 there?
Because it has the end at the 2.
The 2 has to be, the number ends in the thousandth spot. You are correct.
I have another
High
answer.
five.
I get this.
Kate.
I have another answer.
All right, hang on. Hang tight. Virtual friends are doing something, making noise. Josie.
So on the worksheet, it's like 2/6 is the first one.
Yep. We'll get there. Cam, is your question also about the worksheet because you're trying to be done before I even finish teaching?
No, I was just wondering about the same thing as Josie.
Okay. All right.
Hammer's gonna get done.
Now, let me go back because I'm going to, no, you don't want the worksheet yet because the worksheet isn't this. This is the easy version, but not every denominator is a 10, 100, or 1,000, is it? Quit yelling.
110 to 1. Okay.
Okay, well,
Wait, that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be easy.
now what? Where's the thirds spot when I have a decimal? Is there a spot that's thirds?
The ones.
No.
The ones.
I have a third of something, but is there a thirds spot?
No.
No, these are tens, hundreds, and thousands. This isn't going to work this time.
What about the
So what do I do? Guess
the
what?
one spot?
You pretend that this fraction symbol is a divide. So you would do 2 divided by 3.
0.
Calm down. Maggie said 0. Does 3 go into 2?
No.
Yeah, that's why it's gonna be broken into.
But what do I need to do?
Put a decimal point and add a 0, and then put
We're
how many.
going.
Maggie's like,
We're dividing by decimal.
put a decimal point and add a 0. She says, do you guys remember this?
Yes.
Put a decimal point by the other 0 on top.
And then carry my decimal point up top, okay?
There you go.
All right, now, how many times does 3 go into 20?
6.
Maggie's on fire. 3 times 6 is,
18. But that leaves us
Subtract.
with 2 again.
20 minus 18 is
2.
2.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm going to add a 0.
Bring it down.
Bring it down. Uh-oh.
6.
All right, 20. How many times does 20 divide by 3?
It's gonna keep on going, right?
This is one of those that's going to keep on going. What is our rule?
Only go up to 1,000.
Only go out to 1,000 spot. Well, that's a very evil number. But that is our answer. 2/3 as a decimal is 0.666666666666666 till the end of time. Okay? You only need to write it 3 spots out to 1,000th spot. Okay? That's been our rule all year long. We'll carry it out to thousandths and then you can stop. Okay? So let's do another one of these. Jason, put it away. How many? That's at least how many times I had to ask you. That's how many minutes you owe me at recess. Keep doing other stuff while I'm teaching, and I'll keep adding minutes every time I have to tell you. I'm done messing with you guys interrupting my teaching. Done. There's no reason I should have to tell 5th grade to stop doing other things while I'm teaching. Okay? All right. Another example. Let's see here. My pen won't work.
Go Broncos. Is it on the right?
4/5. Now, the numerator is the number that you're going to put under the little divisor symbol. Okay? So I've got 4 divided by 5. Can I put 5 into 4?
No. Add a 0, then put a decimal.
And then
add
put
a
my
0.
decimals. Here we go. All right, 5 into 40.
Yes, 5.
8.
Sam says it's 8. Josie says it's 8. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40. I subtracted, I get a 0. I'm all done. 4/5 as a decimal is
8.
not 8. 10.
8.8.
0.8. We read that as 8/10. Okay. All right. So converting a fraction to a decimal turns into a decimal division, problem, right? Okay, let's do
There's that. They said
6/8. I'm going to take my 6 and divide it by 8. I cannot put an 8 into 6, so I'm going to have to add my decimals. And here I go. Now I've got 8 into 60. How many times can 8 go into 60?
7.
I'm hearing people tell me 7. What is 8 times 7? 56. Okay. I subtract 60 minus 56 and I get 4. Okay. 40 divided by 8. 8 times 5, 40.
0.
All right, so my answer is 0.75 or 7,500. Okay. All right, can you what? Yeah. Okay. How are we feeling about this? Give me a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do some more practice. I'm just gonna do it and I'm gonna quit and I'm gonna let you guys work out a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I am only seeing about 4 people with their fingers up. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. I'm gonna give you a process. I want you guys to do it on your own. Hang on.
Miss Bab, can I leave?
Yeah, if you feel good about it, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Oh, but now we can't do energy bus. She left. Oh well. Okay. That's fine. We'll do it later. All right.
Josie's actually the one that left.
Well,
All right. 4/6. Turn it into a decimal. Get a board out. 4/6. 4/6. Turn it into a decimal.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it.
Just do it. Yeah. That's what I want you to do. That one works. I don't even know the answer yet. Hang on.
Nope. Well, it kind of works. Look at this.
B's got it. Fiona's got it. 4 divided by 6.
Miss Bab. Can I do it on my fingers? Get out of the board. Who's that? Okay, Miss Bab.
Yes. Exactly correct.
I did that.
Yeah, that's the same thing she said. That's on the very first one. Yeah, I'm just going to.
I guess I recall it combined with Jake's.
I already clicked the same thing. She said yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, I got it right. Go, Sean.
All right. So I would do 4 divided by, 6. I can't do that, so I'm going to put a 0. Give me my decimal points. 6 into 40. What's the closest I can get?
6.
6. 6 times 6 is 36. I subtract that and I get a 4. Oh my goodness, this is another one of those that's going to go. All right,
Stop giving us the It's the
okay. Let's do one more practice and then I'll give you your worksheet.
Okay, but then I can go through my waterfall from the office.
Oh, my pen is being difficult.
Isn't it always?
Okay, how many twos to go into 4?
I have the answer. I can do it on my head.
Marker. Wait. Is it this? It's kind of a Oh, is that right?
Write down on the desk.
Let me see if I can get short.
That does a fraction and it's reduced. Some of you are giving me a reduced fraction. I want a decimal. Take your
Is this right?
two.
No. Yes.
Yep, yep, he's right.
It's 42.
Yeah, thumbs up right.
All right. I got it right. A lot of you saw that this is the same as this, but I want it as a decimal, okay? So, thank you for reducing it, but I want a decimal. So I'm going to take my numerator, divide it by my denominator. 4 can't go into 2. Give me a decimal. How many times does 4 go into 20? Sam Curley says 5. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm done. My answer is 0.5. So think about this. You guys were able to see that 2/4 is half. If I have a 5 in the 10th spot, 5 out of 10, is that also half? Yep. Sean says. All right, so 5/10 is the same as 2/4, which is also the same as 1/2. All of that you guys saw, okay? How many of you want one more example?
No.
Me.
I guess we
I was wrong.
Okay. Thank you, those of you that are honest and want one more example. Okay?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Says Kendall.
And then put your decimal. And then the 0 down here. And then 9 into 30. How many times can 9 go into 30?
Is that
Martha, you are in serious end up smushing
Sam, it's you.
You can have your feet up, but you're gradually pushing your side of the desk. And by the end of the day, Riley will crush.
I'm used to it. I don't know if this is it me?
I don't even know if the virtual kids are still on anymore. They're so quiet. I still have some. Lucas,
Virtual
DJ,
kids
Cam,
are
how are you
nice.
guys doing with this? You guys got an answer?
Probably not.
They might. I don't know. DJ, you got it. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Hang on. No, double check your tens, your hundreds, and your thousands.
That's what it's
Yes.
already.
Yes.
Just now.
Yes. Yes. Your number that says 100 to 1,000 is 1,000. You did? So 9 times, so that'd be 9 times 1, 9 times 2. How close can we get to 30 without writing? 9 times 3 gives us 27.
Wait, no, yours.
No. Always start on this side so you don't lie. No, you're taking away from that, that turns into a two sticky. And that turns into a two minus seven. And two minus seven. Okay. So then you gotta add a zero. And then a okay, so now you've got 9 into 30. That's the same thing you just did. So what was it? How close could you get to 30? 3. Actually, you have another 3 up here. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 27. Yes, now you got it, Kay. All right, so on this one, guys, I have 3 divided by 9. Okay, I'm talking now. All right, 9 doesn't go into 3, so I'm going to put my 0. I'm going to add my decimal points, and now I've got 30. How close can I get? What am I going to divide by? 30 divided by 9.
3.
They're telling me 3. What is 9 times 3?
27.
When I subtract 30 minus 27, I get another 3.
30. It's gonna keep on going. 3.
And so this is another one that's going to keep going. So 3/9 is the same as 333 thousandths. Okay, worksheet time. I will be around to help. If you are virtual and you want to stick on the call for help, you may, but I am going to turn the recording off. Cam, DJ, you got it. Good job. But yes, I'm going to stop recording. You guys will stay on. Let me know if